on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is all on this makeup look that I created using the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill 2 palette, volume 2 palette. So if you want to see my thoughts and how I created this look, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, I'm super excited to be doing this video because I got my hands on the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill volume 2 palette, and I'm really excited about this because I don't have any items from Jaclyn Hill. I didn't buy any of her mini palettes. I didn't get the first palette. I didn't have brushes. I didn't buy any lipsticks, nothing, or the highlighters from Jaclyn Hill's line, or anything from Morphe that is a collab with Jaclyn Hill. But when this palette came out, it really intrigued me because it was just so beautiful. The colors were so me. Like, I just love the color story of this palette, so I had to pick it up. Okay, so I'm excited to be doing this video because we're gonna play around with it, and you're gonna get my thoughts and everything on this palette, because I have seen some good reviews on the palette and I've seen some bad reviews on the palette. So let's get this open. So this is very pretty. Has a picture of her on the back, you see. Oh, so pretty. Now, one thing I do like is that it's really pretty and clean, but I do know with it being white, it'll get dirty really fast. So especially in my makeup area, because I'm kind of a mess in my makeup area. I'm spilling some tea on myself, but yeah, it'll get dirty, but it is really cute, and I like it's just clean. Just has her name, very clean. I like it simple, minimalist. I like that. So when you open it, you have the little sheet that protects the shadows, and this is the palette right here. And on there is a little saying that says, "To all my loving subscribers who have supported me all these years, this one is for you. XO Jaclyn Hill." And yeah, I haven't supported her all these years because, like I said before in my mukbang Monday video yesterday, if you have not watched it, I'll have it linked above. She just never appealed to me to watch her on YouTube, and her products never appealed to me. But this product did. I don't know what it is. I think it's the bright pinks and purples, but it just really appealed to me. And then it has all those neutrals in there and yellows. I like playing with yellows a lot because it looks good on my skin tone, and orange. But I mean, pretty much I can use every shade in this palette, which is very rare that I can say with most palettes. There's a few in there that I can wear every shade, but I have a lot that I can't. But yeah, I just wanted to, you know, come on here and do a quick little look, kind of look cute, you know, poppy, and go from there. So let's go on and get started so we can get this look together. So first I'm going to prime my eyes first, and I'm just going to use the Morphe concealer that I got. I think it was in my Ipsy Glam bag, or my Ipsy Glam Plus bag for the month of February, and this is in C435. So it just like matches my skin tone perfectly, but you know, we just want to cover up them veins, honey, because I am getting older. I'm starting to notice some veins, and we want a little base for our eyeshadows to stick. Yeah, but I'm like not starting to notice these little veins people talk about in their eyes. I guess because I'm getting older, you guys. But yeah, you'll never tell. You'll never tell my age. I was playing. You'll never guess. But yeah, we're just going to get that going. And so I have my Farrah brush. I don't know what number this is, but I got it in one of my beauty subscription boxes, and I love it. It's a nice little blending brush. And what I'm going to use, I'm going to use Perfectionist as a transition shade, okay? And as y'all see, I'm going to go for a pink look because, yeah, I want a nice pinky look today. Gonna vibe it out, okay? I'm just gonna get some in there, give it some color, you know. And this is really pretty nice transition shade. I'm liking it. You guys see that? Okay. And next, there is a little bit of fallout in the pan. I do not see any fallout on my eyes yet. But like I said, that's just yet. We just getting started. Alright, let's see. I'm going to take another fairer brush, but this one, it's a fluffy blending brush, but it's more precise. I'm going to go in the shade Oh Hello. And I'm going to focus that on the outer V area. So it's a nice little pigmentation. I thought it'll be a little bit more pigmented than what it is, but that's all right. And just kind of put it right up over here. We're going to just fan that out, okay? It's pretty much going to cover that transition shade, but not all of it, but just some of it. Just kind of cover up some of that transition, but we're deepening up this outer and just kind of get it nice and pretty. So far I don't really have fallout on my face, but there is fallout in the pan. It's minimal fallout. Fallout in the pan is to be expected because, I mean, come on now, it's shadows, but it is doing its job. Let's say that. It looks really good. I'm liking it. I go into the shade. Oops. Crazy is right next to Oh Hello. Cause you know us, I can get a little crazy sometimes. We're just gonna put that right in like our socket area. Like literally where our socket is at, where that deep, our eyeball meets our socket. You'll feel it, okay? You'll feel like that little area in there. And then just kind of drag it along. Okay? And you see how it's just deepening that little area up. Not, you know, not trying to do too much. Just going to deepen that area up. It just deepens that up, so it's just like, whoa. So I do notice with this little darker redder shade, it is there is more fallout in the pan than the other two shades I used prior. I have no complaints. I remember there was some people talking about the formula is not the same as the first palette, but I don't have the first palette, so I wouldn't be able to compare. But I do know that it's nice. I like it. It's getting the job done. Alright, so I'm going to just take this brush that I had and kind of fluff this little area out a little bit. Because I saw some kind of spots there. And I'm just going to fluff. It'll get clean. Don't get discouraged if your eyeshadow gets like a little messy when you're blending, because that's why I like to do my concealer, my highlighting after, because it'll clean up any like stuff you got going on that you didn't want. I have a BH Cosmetics 102 brush. This is just a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Empowered, which is this shade right here. It's a nice little shimmer shade. So I'm going to go into that. It looks kind of red, so, but I'm hoping it comes out pink. How about that? It is red. Alright, so I like it. I like. It's red, but it will go with like my outfit today. Like I'm wearing pink, but this is like so, I don't know, I like it. Let's see, y'all. Let's get it together. This, I can see it's really pressed in really good into the pan because like there's no fallout, and this is like a shimmer shade. So that's kind of like, okay, let's see. Just kind of pack that on. I want to make sure it looks really nice. And this kind of, you want to make sure your eyes are even, okay? One high, a little higher, no, you gotta make it even. Make sure it's even, and then, yeah. Alright, so we're going to smoke out under my eyes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the shade, back into Oh Hello, that very first shade we used, and just kind of, that first outer shade we used, and just tie them together, okay? Oh Hello. Then what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take the flatter brush again, and I'm going to go back into that empowered shade, that shimmer shade, and just kind of make sure it's down there prominent. It was already a little down there, but we want to make sure it's prominent. Get it all cute. Alright, so that's what I got going on right now. I'm going to finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look, and I'm really liking it. I think it's really pretty. The colors are vibrant. It looks really nice. I'll see if there's any creasing or anything later throughout the day, and I'll put that in the comments area. But yeah, as of right now, I really like it. It's really cute. The colors were very vibrant and pigmented. I did choose some dark shades, so I do know that. I did choose the darkest shades in here because I wanted to try them out. But yeah, I'm going to play with this palette some more and probably have a couple more looks for you guys. And just, you know, go from there. But yeah, as of right now, I am liking it. It is a nice palette. It's very versatile as of right now, meaning there was some minimal fallout, but there is some fallout in the pan. I'll do a close-up so you guys can see there is some fallout in the pan, but it's not, you know, it's not bad because it's an eyeshadow. You're gonna have some fallout. There was no fallout on my face, so that was like, oh my god, for real. So I was not expecting that. This a dark color. I would normally do this for, you know, maybe a holiday party or, you know, going out or whatnot, but I did want to play with it and just give it, you know, give it a try. I'm not really going anywhere. I'm just going to vote today, and that's pretty much it. So go vote, you guys, because this video will still be up and time for you guys to go vote, so don't forget to vote. But yes, what are your guys' thoughts? What do you guys think? What do you guys think about this palette? I think it's very nice. It's very versatile. And it was only $39. And I did have a coupon. I didn't use her coupon code because I did not get it at Morphe. I got it at Ulta. I used a coupon at Ulta, and I ended up getting it less than $39. I got it for $37 and some change, which is like a steal. Like, come on, something that just launched. And I ended up getting it less than the price that it was supposed to sell for. So, I mean, it was only a dollar or two, but hey, that's not bad in my book. So I was really pleased with that. So I'm happy with this palette, and I think this is going to be one of my new go-to palettes because, I mean, it has all the natural shades, all the color fun shades, and it's about to springtime is coming up. So yeah, I think this is going to be a really good palette to have for anybody's collection, but definitely my collection. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And comment down below, did you like this look? Would you like to see more makeup looks on this palette specifically? So that way I will know and get your guys' feedback, and I can get to recording those right away, okay? So yes, until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.